viewer and dears, today once again Maqbul Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new log question, how we can, very interesting question. Today e exponent of log of e exponent of x is equal to x. How we can find the value of x? So first of all, as we know that according to the formula, according to the rule, log of ex is equal to, as we know that log of ex is equal to natural logarithm of x is equal to x according to the rule. So now here we substitute the result, and here e log of x is equal to x. Again we take supposition, let e exponent of log of x is equal to t. Now taking log on both sides, taking log on natural logarithm, log of e log of x is equal to log of t. Now again in here, according to the logarithm rule, log of x and log of e is equal to log of t. Now log of e is equal to 1, we can write in here 1 is log of t. What? And here the value of x is, we can write the value of x in here tt, and log natural logarithm both are cancelled, we get the value of x is equal to t, and we have already supposition the value of t is equal to x is equal to e log of x is the required solution of this logarithmic question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. More and more, thanks again for watching. In this question today we have very interesting, we find the angle from this question. If condition is given that f tangent x plus y into tangent x minus y is equal to 1, how we can find? Then prove that tangent x is equal to tangent 45 degree is equal to 1. So we want to verify it. From the given condition is given that in here, so from this condition we can simplify this result. Tangent x plus y is equal to tangent x minus y is equal to 1. So we divide this term by, and here on both sides, tangent x plus y is equal to 1 divided by tangent and x minus y. So according to the formula, as we know that, and here we write the formula, cotangent x is equal to 1 over tangent x, or we can write tangent x is equal to 1 by cotangent x. So this is the rule we can apply in here. Tangent x plus y is equal to, and here we change this one, cotangent x minus y. Again if we change this rule by, because in here we are needed, and here tangent is required, so we change this cotangent, tangent into 90 degree minus pi by 2, we can write pi by 2, this one minus and x minus y. So because tangent is also in the first quadrant and the cotangent is also the first quadrant, but tangent and cotangent are opposite to each other in their reaction, so we can, now we get the result, tangent and tangent both are cancelled by 2 and 90 degree minus x plus and y. We have already, this term is also minus is multiply to open the brackets. Now x plus y minus f, here is we change in this result, minus as plus x and minus y is equal to 90 degree, because we are finding this angle 45 degree as will be x. So we get in here y is cancelled, 2x is equal to 90 degree, dividing both sides by 2, so we get 45 degree, 90 degree divided by 2, both are cancelled, and x is equal to 45 degree. So we get the answer of x is equal to 45 degree. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Once again, Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new exponential equation, x square root and whole exponent of x 1 by 3 so is equal to 8. What is the result of x is unknown. First of all, we can simplify x square root. We can write in here x square root 1 by 2, his power square root is equal to 1 by 2 and his total exponent is 1 by 3 is equal to 8. Now we try to finish this 1 by 2. We try to make a squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides of this term. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 x whole exponent of 1 by 3 whole exponent of we can 2 by 3 we take and here on both sides 2 by 3. So according to the double exponent rule, we have the rule x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x m n. According to this rule, we simplify this term is multiplied by this term, so we can write in here x 1 by 2 whole exponent of 2 by 3 x 1 by 3 is equal to 8 is equal to 8 and 8 is 2 by 3. Now further we simplify this term. X is this term is cancelled with this one, so we get x 1 by 3 and x 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 is equal to, now we can write 2 exponent of 3 and 2 by 3. Now this term is cancelled with each other. We get in here x 1 by 3 whole exponent of x 1 by 3 is equal to 2 square. Now power if we compare we get the same result, and base if we are compare so we get the same result. So comparing now the base x 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Now we try to finish this result. X we are taking cube on both sides, so we get in here 2 cube, both are cancelled and x is equal to 2 is 3 times, it means that x is equal to 8. So our solution is x is equal to 8. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for today. We have a new exponential equation. So how we can calculate the value of x from this equation? 7 exponent of x plus 1 minus 7 exponent of x is equal to 294. How we can find the value of x is unknown. Very tricky and interesting question for you today. So first of all, according to the rule, we can simplify 7 exponent of x plus 1 we can simplify. So according to this rule, a exponent of m plus n, we can write a exponent of m and a exponent of n. In case of multiplication, we can add their power. So similarly, we are write this term 7 exponent of 1 and 7 exponent of x. 7 exponent of x and 7 exponent of 1 we can same because their bases are same, so we take one base and we add their powers. Similarly, in 7 exponent of x is equal to 294. If we take common this term, we take common 7 exponent of x. So here 7 minus here coefficient is 1 is remaining, and 294. So now 7 minus 1 we get 7 exponent of 4 6 is the coefficient, and 7 exponent of x is remaining 294. Now dividing both sides by 6, so we get cancelled, and here we get 6 and here we get 49. So 7 exponent of x is equal to 7 square. Now the bases are same, so we take, and here comparing their power, x is this result. Check. 7 exponent of 2 plus 1 and minus 7 exponent of 2 is equal to 294. So we get in here 7 exponent of 2. Again we can simplify the result in here 294. 7 square we can common, 7 minus 1 is equal to 294. Again 7 square and we get 6 is equal to 249. Dividing both sides by 6, both are cancelled and we get in here 49. So we can write 7 square, both are same result, or we can write 49 is equal to 49. Both result are same, so our solution is correct. X is equal to 2.